All right, inside this video, what we're going to discuss is going to be two different drills actually going on, but both are focusing on the same intent, and that is a couple of things. Number one, it's just being able to move through the middle. So the first one we're going to demonstrate is going to be what we call step backs. Now, how we've got this set up, if you look to the video on the right, we've set it up on the lower back hip. He's actually using double tubing here because he's pretty familiar with it. If you're not familiar with it, please, less is more. So what you're going to notice, he's going to step back, and watch as he starts to step back. Something very, very crucial is the foot does not move. Notice the foot, how it's stable into the ground. Now, this is a great foot stability drill. Secondly, his eyes never come off the wall. So as he starts to step back, something's going on. It's really, really important here. That little counter sit. Watch this back hip. As we start to go right there, watch the little little counter turn he makes with the back hip as he starts to sit. And then as he makes that move with the hips, you'll see how the kneecap starts to go in the opposite direction. Now, something very important. I want you to look at the vertical shin, how it's straight, and then from his kneecap to his hip, as he drives down into the ground, he's got a stable foot. He's creating a greater surface area by keeping it flat. So as he drives into the ground, he's going to move forward. See that? Just by sitting into the ground. So now we're going to watch it on the back side. Here he's taking the step back, and he's going to sit. So he takes the step back, foot remains flat, and again, watch the swivel of the hip as we corkscrew that foot into the ground. You see that? Now this is a different move. He's actually, I wouldn't like to see the stride being that long. All we have to do is here, stop, here, stop. So this is a 3-step walking windup. So again, he takes a step back, goes, takes a step back, swivels, and goes, step back, swivel, and go. And again, notice how the foot remains flat. There's the little sit, the little counter move of the hips, and then he just sits flat on the foot, and that's what's going to project his center mass in the opposite direction.